The energy level is not very high. It's the last few days has been it's been quite rough, but it was all worth it. The Ryder Cup in Rome, I guess I was part of the team in a way, but I wasn't really in the players' team room. I stayed away from that. So yeah, it certainly a different environment, but being a player and being there with everyone, especially in New York, was super special. It was I think Luke and his whole team did prepare as well for whatever we were going to face. It certainly gives you confidence being a part of the team and being there, play golf in that environment for sure. Again, now it's back to being on my own again and having my own team do our thing. So again, it's going to be completely different being out there this week. But again, it's going to treat it as any other event. The Ryder Cup is only once every 2 years, so you put everything into being a part of that. And then once you leave the whole team there, it's not going to feel so different because you go into what is normal for you again. So I think we all know what to do to get prepared for this week.